The Sellstrom brand has been synonymous with innovative welding solutions for almost 100 years. Our new Advantage, Advantage Plus, and Premium Series auto darkening helmets have all the features necessary for all welders, ranging from the general enthusiast to the most seasoned professional. The Advantage Series WHB 1000 is Sellstrom's latest entry-level ADF helmet, packed with higher-end features at an economical cost. An ample viewing window of 1.57 by 3.54 inches is powered by advanced solar technology and features an integrated auto-off function. This helmet offers excellent protection with a lightweight, comfort design and is suitable for use with cartridge respirators. The new Sellstrom Advantage Plus WHM 2000 combines the same great features as the Advantage series while adding significant upgrades. A wider viewing window of 2.36 by 3.94 inches is ideal for difficult work angles. Solar and battery powered with automatic shutoff and low-level warning, along with replaceable batteries. Sellstrom's WHP 4000 Premium Series is our top-of-the-line welding helmet filled with advanced electronics, featuring an extra-large viewing window of a whopping 3.28 by 3.94 inches for a great viewing field, among the best in the industry. This helmet has state-of-the-art blue lens technology, allowing the user to experience true color vision, resulting in higher quality welds while increasing overall productivity. Full digital operation with adjustable shade, sensitivity, and delay functions. In addition, this premium helmet features 3 memory presets. The Sellstrom Classic 290 series has been a popular general use helmet for many years. The 290 series includes Sellstrom's 2x4-inch passive shade tint filter plate for general applications. The overall design allows room for a respirator mask, while quick-release headgear makes for an easy personal fit. You'll rest comfortably knowing all helmets meet CSA and ANSI standards. Today, we continue to invest in developing products to meet the demands of an extremely challenging environment. You will find all that you need in this new lineup of helmets. Visit your local distributor today or visit welding.sureworks.com for a full lineup of welding solutions.